네.
Oh, we're not finished?
We're not finished.
Oh my gosh.
But it's time to eat chicken.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Fine, thank you.
Yes.
왔어요. 왔어요. 이제 연습해야 돼. 야.
이렇게 하면 돼.
여기전.
I want to have chicken right now. What do you think about having chicken?
한국말로 해주세요. 한국말로. I feel
Chicken.
really great that we are able to eat this chicken. That's very nutritious, and it'll heal our hearts from all the heart factors.
Why does chicken heal your heart? What? Chan, what do you feel about having the chicken? I don't know. What do you think about having chicken? What do you think about having chicken?
I think about the chicken. Yeah.
Oh my god! Hey, what do you think about having chicken?
I like chicken. Oh.